Hello and welcome to another video review. Most people don't have the time to dedicate to reading countless reviews. That's where we come in. We spent weeks researching the most popular products of this year. In doing so, we read hundreds of reviews and consulted with experts. Working alongside the most knowledgeable people in the industry, we rated each piece of equipment based on its selection of features, ease of use, value for the money, and the reputation of its manufacturer. Let's take a look at the products that impressed us the most.
The First Alert plug-in carbon monoxide alarm with battery backup responds quickly to carbon monoxide, alerting you of deadly threats in the home. This plug-in alarm comes with a 9-volt battery backup, keeping you safe even in the event of a power outage. The electrochemical sensor in the CO alarm is the most accurate technology available for detecting carbon monoxide. With a single silence test button on the front of the alarm, you can easily perform weekly tests to ensure your alarm is functioning properly. When an alarm is triggered, you'll hear a loud 85 decibel T3 pattern chirp to alert you. Installation is quick and simple with the plug-in design, and no additional wiring is required. The First Alert CO 605 comes with a 7-year limited warranty.
Have you ever wondered, is that thing even working? Oh, it just blinked. Red. Is that bad? Should I be worried? Why do we put up with this? Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way and shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay, so everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect. It's time to know more and worry less.